Hello students, good morning to you all. How are you all? Fine? Okay, so students, today we are going to study subject grammar of class 4. Okay, yes, so in the previous lecture we have completed chapter number 5. Now we are moving further with a new chapter, that is chapter 6, describing words. Okay, so students, here describing word means the word which give us information, more something, tell us more something about the noun, that is known as the describing word. As here it is given the definition in your workbook. You can see here what is given. We know that a word that tells us something more about a noun or a pronoun is called an adjective. हम adjective किसको बोलते हैं? कभी भी कोई चीज़, the thing which is given, which is giving something more information about the noun or a pronoun, that is known as the adjective. Here words like handsome, enormous, selfish, Chinese, that describes a noun or adjective. Okay, now handsome हम किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? कोई पर्सन है, right? So we are using handsome for a person. So what is happening here? We are describing a person with the word, that is noun को हम किससे describe कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? handsome word से. Okay, so that is known as an adjective. Clear? So we will see here what is given. Yes, you can see here in the example exercise A, it is given to you. Add the endings to a nouns and a verbs given below to form adjectives. So here it is given in the exercise A. There are 20 words it is given to us. So we have to form the adjectives. हमको ये verb में हमको adjectives add करने हैं to make the adjectives. Okay, so it is given first one. First one it is given to us, amaze, right? Amaze it is given. Here it is given options, able, us, ly, full, ing or add. So these words we can use here. So amaze it is given. Okay, so amazing, amazing. What you are going to do here it is, we will make here amaze है तो उसको हम एडजेक्टिव बनाने के लिए हमने क्या किया? अमेज के पीछे हमने क्या ऐड कर दिया? ing, वर्ब प्लस वी हैव मेक हियर ing. तो ये ई हमने क्या किया? रिमूव कर दिया. तो ये हमारा क्या बन गया? अमेजिंग, राइट? अंडरस्टूड? लाइकवाइज विल सी सेकेंड नंबर व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस, हेल्प. ओके, HELP, help. So helpful. Third one it is given shoot. Suit is given. So you can add here suitable, right? Yes or no? Yes. Likewise amazing, helpful, suitable. Another words are also given, friend. So we'll add here ly add किया हमने तो क्या बना? friendly. enchant तो enchanting. Next is play. What we are making here? playful. inhabit, inhabited. fame, famous. fame, जब भी आप लोग fame है यहाँ पे FAME, fame it is given. ओके, तो fame में हमने OUS ऐड कर रहे हैं हम, तो हम क्या करेंगे? FAME है तो E को निकाल के हम लोगों को US ऐड करना है, राइट? यू आर गोइंग टू रिमूव दिस E, तो क्या बनेगा? फेमस. enjoy, enjoyable, yearly. Okay, likewise you have to do this all things. Now turn the page on the page 28. We'll see what is given here in the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the adjective form from the board. Okay, here it is given one board. You have to select the correct options and you have to fill the adjectives. Here first one it is given, he recognized her. She was a dash actor. So how was an actor? It is given to you. You can select from the here. Options are given to you, right? So he recognized her. She was dash actor. Here we are comparing here this person. Okay, we are talking about a girl. Okay, तो हमको क्या हो रहा है? Girl is a noun. It is given, right? So here this thing is actor. So this is telling us about the more about a girl. We can know from that girl is a very nice actor, right? So he recognized her, she was a famous actor. Okay, so did you understand how it is? Yes. Next is he was a dash dog and has served his master for many years. Okay, it is given like this. So what you are going to write it here? He was a loyal dog and had served masters for many years. Okay, are you understanding how you have to select the adjectives from the boards? Yes. Next we will see what is given to you. हमको अभी नेक्स्ट एडजेक्टिव्स देखने हैं. वी कैन सी हियर डेफिनेशन है, पहले हम वो देखेंगे, फिर वी विल मूव फर्दर विद द एक्सरसाइज. ओके, यस. सो सी ऑन द पेज 28 हियर. सम एडजेक्टिव्स लाइक फ्यू, मैनी, एनी, मच, सम, नो, ऑल, इनफ, सच, हेल्प अस, अमाउंट्स और क्वांटिटी. हमको ये सारे जो एडजेक्टिव्स है व्हाट दे कैन हेल्प अस, they are helping us to know the amount or a quantity of the noun. adjective की quantity और noun के बारे में हमको पता चलता है तो वो किससे चलता है? few, many, any, much, some, no, all, enough, such. okay, here they are called determiners or quantitative adjectives. तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? determiners. We can know it, we can say it as a determiners or quantitative. why? Because it informs us about the quantity and the amount of the adjective. Clear? Next it is a quantity adjective may indicate a number too. Quantity adjective है तो वो हमको क्या indicate कर सकता है? Number भी. Okay? Number also it indicates us. Some quantitative adjectives are used with only countable nouns, while others are used with only uncountable nouns. Some can be used for both. बहुत सारे ऐसे एडजेक्टिव्स हैं जो सिर्फ काउंटेबल में यूज़ होते हैं और अदर्स ऐसे भी हैं जो सिर्फ अनकाउंटेबल में यूज़ होते हैं. ओके, और बाकी के जो रिमेनिंग है वो बोथ काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल हम दोनों में ही यूज़ कर सकते हैं. क्लियर विद दिस पेज? ओके, वी आर मूविंग फर्दर विद द पेज 29. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इट इज गिवन टू यू. ओके, सो वी विल सी हियर व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस. एक्सरसाइज सी. Fill in the blanks with the correct adjective from the brackets. We have given here brackets. हमको quantitative और determiners choose करने. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो brackets हैं, these adjectives are that are telling us about the amount or determiners, amount or the quantity about the adjective. Okay. So we are starting with the first one. There is dash time to prepare the speech. हमारे पास स्पीच के लिए टाइम कितना है? ओके, सो दैट इज टेलिंग अस अबाउट द टाइम. ओके, डिटर्मिनर ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव. सो मैनी, इनफ और मच. सो व्हाट यू विल राइट? देयर इज मच टाइम टू प्रिपेयर द स्पीच. ओके, लाइकवाइज सेकेंड नंबर सी. मे आई हैव डैश सूप प्लीज. सो हियर वी हैव टू नो द क्वांटिटी ऑफ द सूप. सूप दिया है तो हमको उसकी क्वांटिटी जानना है, राइट? मच, एनी, सम. सो मे आई हैव सम सूप प्लीज. सो व्हाट वी कैन नो फ्रॉम हियर? ये एडजेक्टिव से हमको क्या पता चल रहा है? सूप की क्वांटिटी पता चल रही है. ओके, ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड सेकेंड नंबर. नाउ वी आर मूविंग फर्दर विद द थर्ड वन. सी. डैश सोल्ट इज needed to improve the test. Okay, so what options are given to us? More, many and few. So what you are going to write here? More salt is needed to improve the test. Okay, next it is given to you. You can see here 4 number में आप लोग देख सकते हो. I don't want dash advice from you. So what you are going to write? I don't want any advice from you. Now fifth number C, what is given to you? Dash accidents happen due to the careless driving. So what is given? More, much, most. So most accidents happen because the carelessness of the driving. Okay, I have explained you up till 5 number. Likewise, you have to do the whole exercise up till 20 number. Okay, so we are moving further with the page 30. In page 30 also it is the same. You have to see the picture and you have to write the adjective which determines the quantity or determiner or the anything, right? You have to see likewise. So look at the picture and complete the sentences using many, much, some or any. इस तरह से आप लोगों को पिक्चर देख के पहचानना है कि उसमें क्वांटिटी हमको कौन सी पता चल रही है. सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क पार्ट एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन दिस एक्टिविटी हियर. Okay, so this activity and up till page 30, this is whole is the same. So we are moving further with the next, that is here what is given, possessive adjectives. Okay students, so possessive adjectives we have already learned in the chapter number 5. In the previous chapter we have already learned about the possessive pronouns and adjectives, right? Here again we are seeing with a short revision. We will see here in the exercise E, what is given to you here. You can see, choose the correct word from the brackets to complete each sentence. हमको sentence complete करने के लिए यहाँ पे देखना है. First sentence it is given, भावना let me dash notes. भावना let me dash notes. So हर और ही हर्स, तो भावना है, शी इज अ गर्ल. ओके, भावना लेट मी हर नोट्स. यस, सो हियर दिस वी आर गोइंग टू सी. तो यहाँ पे आपको अंडरलाइन करना है. नेक्स्ट हम लोग देखते हैं कौन सा है. आई एम गोइंग टू डैश पार्टी. आई एम गोइंग टू डैश पार्टी, राइट. तो यहाँ पे आपको दो ऑप्शंस हैं, हर्स और हिज. पार्टी दिया हुआ है, राइट. आई एम गोइंग टू हर्स पार्टी ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. नो, वी कैन राइट हियर आई एम गोइंग टू हिज पार्टी. ओके, सो दिस ऑल हैव वी हैव सीन इन द प्रीवियस चैप्टर ऑल्सो. सो यू हैव टू डू लाइकवाइज. नाउ हियर इट इज गिवन. नेक्स्ट इट इज some adjective like this, that, these and those tell us which thing or person is being talked about. They are called demonstrative. They are called the demonstrative adjectives. They are different from the demonstrative pronouns. यहाँ पे हमको देखना है fill in with these or that or these those. Okay. Okay. So we are seeing here with the first one that is given here. यहाँ पे aeroplane दिया है, right? We are talking about aircraft, so that is far from us. So what you are going to do is that we will write here that aircraft flying above us belongs to the Air Force. Okay. Next it is who has opened dash jar. So jar is near with us. हमारे पास में है, बॉय के पास है. So our mother is talking with him. So who has opened this jar? Okay. So यहाँ पे हमने this use किया. Nobody recognizes dash hub. So this hub जी क्या है, बहुत ही पास में है. And this is far from us. So we will write here those elephants. Okay. So this and dot, these, those, that you have already learned in the previous standards. Okay. आपने first second में ये सब कुछ पढ़ लिया है. Okay. So this is not the new for you. Okay. So we are completing here chapter 32. These remaining things you will see in the homework part. Okay. So we have completed here chapter number 6. We'll meet in the next lecture with a new chapter. Till that, bye-bye. Thank you.